International trade, it drives the world. A massive 90% of it arrives or departs via the sea. Ships are charged for the amount of time they spent docked, which is why many ports today use modern technology for efficient loading and unloading of goods. Hitachi Energy technologies work all over the world, including ports, helping them to meet the challenge of larger ships, taller cranes, and bigger volumes, and to make terminal operations safer, greener, and more productive. A great example of this is the Koja Container Terminal port in Jakarta. First opened in 1998, the Koja Terminal port now hosts around 450 large fourth-generation container ships annually, with a capacity of 1 million containers. With the help of 7 cranes working simultaneously around the clock to load and unload precious cargo. But there was a problem. The cranes used DC drives, which lower the power factor by drawing more reactive power and limiting the flow of electricity. This also leads to energy losses and compromises the efficiency of power supply, often leading to financial penalties up to $50,000 a month in the case of the Koja port. The port also suffered from voltage fluctuations, which led to poor performance of other electrical equipment connected to the same network. Something had to be done. Hitachi Energy designed and supplied a thyristor-based compensation system called Dynacomp. Dynacomp is a low-voltage capacitor bank which can be used for ultra-rapid power factor compensation caused by large loads, such as cranes. It reduces demands on the electrical network by instantaneously compensating the reactive power. Also, the response of Dynacomp is transient-free, enabling voltage dip minimization and an improvement in power factor from 0.6 to 0.97, compliant with utility standards.
There have been impressive benefits of installing Dynacomp in our port. The power factor now is around 0.97, well above the specified limits of the utility of 0.85. This means that we have saved on penalties from the utility. The improved power quality has also led to significant energy savings, and the operations are more efficient and cost-effective now.
Hitachi Energy's innovative power quality solution has led to significant energy efficiency, optimizing cost and lowering environmental impact. Here's another example of our commitment to advancing a sustainable energy future for all.